to me wind and rain.
Okay, so first I'm gonna use moisturizer, and for my moisturizer I'm gonna use this Mars BB cream. And yeah, it's a very nice BB cream because it is white in color, and the white base is very trending, and white base makes your makeup very flawless. So that is why I'm gonna use this. White base are good for fair skin tone or medium skin type, like fair to medium skin type, but for deeper to dark skin tone it is not good for them because it may clash their foundations and give you gray foundation effects, which is not good. So you can definitely skip that as well. So you can definitely skip it if you have dark skin tone. For my foundation I'm gonna use this Mars Cosmetics foundation. This is their Blossom Soft Matte Foundation, and you will get 30 ml, and the price is 500. Now I'm just gonna buff it out. And for my cream concealer I'm gonna use this MAC. And for my concealer brush I'm gonna use this concealer brush from Cuffs and Lashes F011 brush. For my cream contour I'm gonna use this Mars Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna use this shade, like this shade. Just look at the pans. Okay, these pans are huge, like yes, it's a very good progress. And to blend this contour I'm gonna use this brush, and this is the concealer and highlighter brush from Mars Cosmetics, and this is the F103 brush. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tap everything. This is my contour, and you can see it is very skin like and very natural. I loved it so much. And for my cream blush I'm gonna use this Recode Cosmetics cream blusher in the shade number Goosebumps, and it is very mauve pinky blush, which is my favorite one. I love mauve blushes, so that is why it is in a kind of a dark mauve side. So मैं इसे थोड़ा सा warm up करूँगी. So first I'm gonna warm up the product inside the pot, and then I'm gonna tap it over here. So for the eyeshadows I'm gonna use this palette. This is from Pretty Little Things. It's from Simply Iconic. I love this palette so much. It is really good. Look at the color story. It is really nice. Okay, first I'm gonna use white shade from this palette to set my entire eyelid. So next I'm gonna use this brush. This is from the brand Vega brushes, and it is really good brush. You can definitely check this one. I'm gonna use this color. I'm gonna apply this shade right over here near my eyebrow bone. I'm just gonna give the round motion right over here on my outer V. Tap it and then blend it. And little bit flicking it out. So next I'm gonna use this darkest color. Okay, just tap the color and then blend it. Next I'm gonna use this shade, this baby pinky shade. Gonna apply right over here, taking above to my eyebrow bone. I'm gonna apply eyeliner right over here. I'm gonna smoke it out. So I'm gonna use the black shade from this palette. Now I'm just gonna smoke it out. From this palette, I'm gonna use this brown color on my lower lash line and smoke both the black and the brown. For my mascara, I'm gonna use this Mars Cosmetics mascara, and for my eyelashes, I'm gonna use this Eye Magic eyelashes. For my bronzer and for my translucent powder, I'm gonna use this palette. This is the Chirion Cosmetics palette. So I'm gonna use this shade. This is the Mars V Face bronzer. I'm gonna use this shade. I need a very sun-kissed look, and it is a shimmery bronzer, so that is why it will give you that sun-kissed look. For my blush, I'm gonna use this shade. I'm gonna cut my face with the same translucent powder, like a little bit, not that much, because I don't need to do it, but still, if you have very broad face, you can definitely do it. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use the same palette. This is the Mars V Face bronzer. And for my fixer, I'm gonna use this toner. This is the Osha Tea Tree toner. Now let's move on to the lipstick. For my lipstick, I'm gonna use this CoverGirl lipstick. This is in the shade number Currant Nude 304. Yes. And next I'm gonna use this Mars Cosmetics lipstick, and you can definitely see the shade. And this is in the shade number Matte Lip Color, in the shade number 07. And now I'm gonna use this color in the center. So I'm gonna use a lip gloss. This is from the brand Mars Cosmetics. This is the final finished look. You can definitely switch up the colors as according to your preference. You can definitely go with the nude lip shade, but I love this lip color so much, and it is looking stunning and gorgeous. You can definitely go with the matte one, and if you need something extra, you can definitely pair with it, okay? But this look is like stunning, as according to me, it is looking very good.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster.